Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mercury in third house. The planet Mercury in the third house of your chart signifies that you smart, you are curious, you think well, good diplomatic friend, you make good decisions. You can work related to literature, writing, translator. You can work related to secretary. You can work related reporters. You can work related research. You can work related to investigation. Siblings are important to you. You can work related to move. You may be working in the field of abnormal research. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Go to the website astro5s.com and follow these instructions.